Project Management Showdown, Smartsheet or Asana, which one really delivers? On the left, Smartsheet spreadsheet power for complex workflows, and on the right, Asana simple, visually stunning task management for every team. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, before we dive in, here's the mind map to keep us on track. We're looking at price and plans, features and flexibility, user experience, collaboration, integrations, customization and templates, and support and training. Each category, yeah, they're all equally important depending on your workflow, so stick around as we break it down one by one. Let's kick things off with price and plans. First up, Smartsheet. So if you love options, Smartsheet comes with some pretty granular enterprise offerings. But honestly, setting this all up can get pricey fast if you're running a smaller crew. Also, premium support, you gotta pay extra for that. Now, switching gears to Asana. Here's the fun part, they've actually got a really nice free tier for basic users so you can get going without dropping cash. Their pricing is tiered too, so small teams, big teams, whatever, there's probably a slot for you. But heads up, if you want all the advanced stuff, that's gonna push you to the higher dollar plans. Subtle hint here. Asana is taking the win in pure affordability and flexibility for most teams. Now let's talk features and flexibility. Starting with Smartsheet, if your heart beats for spreadsheets, you're gonna love this. You get custom automations, strong resource management, time tracking, reporting dashboards, the whole kitchen sink. But I'll warn you, there's a bit of a learning curve. And visually, well, let's just say it's got that serious business look, not super snazzy. Asana hops in with goal management, neat workload and portfolio tools, and it's just really, really good for team collaboration. But it's got less granularity in time management and the reporting's not quite as deep. Bottom line, if function over form is your thing, Smartsheet grabs the crown for sheer flexibility and features. Alright, user experience time, and honestly this is where things get interesting. Smartsheet is basically heaven for spreadsheet power users. If you live and breathe Excel sheets, it feels right. But the interface? It can be intimidating for newbies, and the setup might take you longer than, say, brewing your morning coffee. Flip to Asana and you get this clean, intuitive design, faster onboarding, easy navigation. Even if your grandma joined your team, she'd pick it up quick. The only catch? Asana tosses in a lot of features which, ironically, can overwhelm teams that just want something super simple. If we're talking productivity without the headache, Asana snags the win for user-friendliness. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Smartsheet actually started as a spreadsheet-style project management tool, while Asana was co-founded by one of the original Facebook creators? How's that for tech DNA? Moving to collaboration, Smartsheet is honestly kind of cool for giant, complicated projects with tons of document approvals and sheet commentary. But if you want that quick, real-time chat, not native and casual collaboration feels a bit stiff. Asana, on the other hand, was so clearly built for team interaction. You've got built-in task comments, real-time updates, file sharing, the works. Deeper collaboration takes some extra integrations, but come on, it's pretty seamless for everyday teamwork. So in this department, Asana's taking it, inspiring all those high fives around the virtual water cooler. Integrations, both Smartsheet and Asana really flex here like straight-up Thai territory. Smartsheet plays nice with the heavy hitters, Adobe, Microsoft, Google, Tableau, and tons more via Zapier. Minor snag. Some sweet integrations only land on the upper tiers. Meanwhile, Asana brings its own killer crew: Slack, Dropbox, Power BI, Google Workspace, Salesforce, also supported by Zapier. Okay, only downside. No Adobe for Asana fans, but all said and done, both are absolute integration beasts, so yeah, no clear winner, they're both stacked. Let's get into customization and templates. Okay, Smartsheet first, it's like the mad scientist's lab for templates, every industry, loads of automation, sky's the limit. The catch? If you just want to throw together a quick to-do list, it can be hard. Asana keeps things simple, clean templates, custom fields, forms for many business types, just easy to get started. But automation isn't quite as beefy out of the box compared to Smartsheet. So if you want advanced control, Smartsheet wins for customization. Last but not least, support and training. Smartsheet's got a whole university, seriously. plus docs and you can buy personalized support, but no 24/7 live help unless you shell out. Asana jumps in with round-the-clock support for enterprise folks plus a mega help center, webinars, guides, the whole learning buffet. Most of that live support, though, is for the bigger spenders. But overall, Asana offers a more robust safety net here, so it gets the win for support. You've seen the breakdown, so here's a quick visual on how both platforms scored across all 7 categories this year. Smartsheet definitely peaks in complexity and customization, while Asana shines in ease of use and team collaboration. No runaway winner, but some clear strengths stand out. So what do we think after all that? If your team handles ginormous, data-heavy projects and lives for tweaking and automating workflows, Smartsheet's gonna be your power tool. But if you want to get up and running fast, need something seriously intuitive, and you care about how it looks too, Asana's hard to beat. Basically, Smartsheet for the corporate empire builders, Asana for beautifully simple teamwork. Which vibe are you feeling? If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.